Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hello, welcome to another video of Francus Avenue Unacademy. As promised in my last video, in this video I'll be discussing about EM waves. According to me, EM waves is somewhat overrated topic. It's not that difficult. People feel it is difficult only because they won't be able to understand some of the questions in the exam, and they would come across many facts which they won't be able to derive on their own. These are some of the reasons why people feel EM waves is difficult. But let me tell you, it is not. There's a very simple way to prepare through EM waves topic and gain perfection on it. Before you begin, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. If we To understand EM waves topic, you have to be perfect with your waves, like your normal sound waves and the general basics of your waves. So in the description of this video, I'll be dropping to a link to a PDF of my wave short notes. Just you might just want to go through it once so that you'll come across some of the important formulas in there. And as I was telling, you should be confident or you should be perfect in the topic of your waves. If you are good with waves, you are you know it's the best way to start your EM waves. Do not start your EM waves before you complete your waves topic and before you're perfect with your waves topic. Once you feel that you're good with your waves topic and your sound waves too, start with EM waves topic. All you need in EM waves is NCERT. But you have to be perfect with everything in it. There's a right flaw in it over here. You have to What I meant that you have to be perfect with NCERT. While reading through NCERT, if you feel that if you encounter a fact which you're not able to understand with whatever you know, try to derive it. Because Maxwell's equations are everything that guide waves. So you might feel that some things are not justified in the notes, or you just might not understand the idea of EM waves. So try to trust Maxwell's equations, or try to intellectually understand them, because every equation has its own meaning. If you don't understand what displacement current is, there's an answer right there in Maxwell's equations. And once you are good with your Maxwell's equations, try to derive everything which you're not understanding with the help of those equations, or just try to apply the equations to a general EM wave or a normal plane EM wave, and you'll be able to discover some cool facts about it, which will motivate you, which will give some confidence to you in that topic. That's all you need over here. After you are done with your basics, and after you think that you can apply Maxwell's equation to solve some questions, and after you write your formula notes, you're done. In theory, you're done with the topic. But there's still a couple of things you need to figure out. In NCERT, there's a complete section dedicated to uses of EM waves. So for the whole spectrum, each part of it has a specific use and specific wavelength. So you just have to remember some of them. Like you can remember them in a pretty efficient way too, by just using the fact that a receiver of a EM wave should have approximately the same size as the EM wave. So by using some cool facts like this, you can understand the uses of EM waves. Like you'll be able to understand why a receiver of radio antenna or a receiver of radio wave should be that big, while your phone is very small. So you'll be able to understand these kind of things once you understand some parts of once you take some parts of it for granted. So if you are not able to understand it, or you're not able to derive it, take those facts for granted and write them in your short notes and revise them before your exams. And after you're done with your preparation, try to solve JEE mains past problems on this topic. They are pretty good and complete in this topic. After you solve JEE mains past questions, you're good to go in the topic of EM waves. You have everything you need to answer any question which you'll get in JEE mains exam. So if you feel that you benefited from this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll be also giving a link to my formula notes of waves topic in the description. So you might want to check that out too. In my next video, I'll be talking about what one should do before 20 days of their final JEE Advanced exam. So stay tuned for it. Until then, stay safe and bye.